Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Audi A8. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a Tiptronic transmission. This Audi has less than 67,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cold weather package, comfort package, convenience package, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and power windows.